Hello beautiful people, and thank you for tuning in to yet again another video. Today in this video I will be reviewing this palette from a local brand. It's called the Glitzy. This is the Glitzy Glam palette from SIGNATA Cosmetics. This is actually a local brand and I decided to show my support by making a purchase. I think this cost about 50 EC. If I'm not correct, I'm going to list the correct prices down in the down in the description box. I saw an ad while scrolling through Instagram, and when I clicked on the page, it was actually located on Island. So I went ahead and snapped me one of these. Now the young lady was very polite and her customer service was superb, let me tell you. So this is what the palette looks like. Oh, magnets. These are the shades. It has 5 matte shades and 5 glitter shades. Now if I was saving this palette for a date night look one of these days, but since we are in a partial lockdown state, I realized that I will not be going anywhere anytime soon, so here we are today. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches of the matte shades and the glitter shades for you guys so you can see the pigment of these colors. These are the swatches of the matte shades and the glitter shades. I hope you guys can see these clearly. I hope it's coming out exactly how it's looking on camera, because it's beautiful. Let me tell you. The first shade is B-Day. This is Goddess. This is Birthday, Baby Girl, Roses, and Lavish. B-Day is my favorite shade from the matte shades. I just love a pink shade. This is Lit, this is Luxury, this is Glitzy, this is Glam, and this shade is called Dazzle. My favorite shade from the glitters is the Glam, also a pink shade. Now this palette does come with a mirror, which I absolutely love because it makes my work so much easier. So I'm going to create a makeup look using these shades today. I'm going to play in a few of the matte shades. I'm also going to test out the glitter shades on my lids as well, on my eyes as well. I tried the glitter shades on my hands, and for some reason they were so hard to take off, meaning that when you apply the glitters, they are not going to come out until you are ready to take them off at the end of the day. That in itself is a plus for me because I love my makeup to last me throughout the day. I've already done my brows off camera. I'm going to prime my lids and go straight into this makeup look. Okay guys, so this is the final look with the palette. Yes, I did OD with the glitter a bit. So my final thoughts and opinions on this palette. I honestly, I love the matte sheets. I love the fact that they are smooth. The texture is very smooth and it's not chalky. There's no fallout from the palette. As you saw, the glitter shades come through. The palette, the glitter shades, the matte shades, everything does what it is supposed to do. First of all, I would like to thank SIGNATA Beauty for letting me add another wonderful palette to my collection and for making me feel like I did not just waste my money on another palette. I would like to thank you again for your wonderful customer service. I'm very sorry that I do not have any discount codes, but I just genuinely made the purchase, so this is not gifted or this is not sponsored or anything. I really wanted to try out this palette. I really wanted to see if it was up to quality and up to par, as I will be using this palette again, most likely to create a look with this color glitter because it's calling my name. Anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. Let me know your thoughts on this look. If you do decide to purchase this palette, I will leave the link down in the description box to her Instagram page, also to her move also her local number as well. Thank you guys again for tuning into this video. I so appreciate your love and support. Make sure you give a like and leave a comment. Also make sure you share and definitely subscribe. See you in the next one.